What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys haven't already subscribed, make sure you guys go ahead and do that. Today we're going to be doing the first mod to the new WJ build. It's just some simple stuff. We're actually going to be installing some lights behind the gauges on the dash. These will be LED. They're actually sent over from Najar Offroad, so I'll put his website down here at the bottom and link him down in the description for you guys to check out. He sells both these kits. So these bulbs here go behind the gauges on the dash to replace all those. I ended up going with the white LEDs, which is like a little bit of a blue film on there from factory, so it'll be a little bit blue. And then these are the interior lights. They'll replace all the lights on the inside. They're super bright. He sent over a couple pictures and his turned out great. So super excited to get both these put in. We're gonna do these first because I am missing a few of these already behind there. Then we'll go ahead and put these in next video. So the first thing you're gonna want to do when you start this is go ahead and lower your steering wheel, pulling the lever back here, drop it down as far as it'll go. It'll give you a little bit of extra room back there to pull out this cluster right here. After that, you're gonna want to remove this panel. So from what I've seen, just pops down on both sides. There's a clip on both sides. Then you gotta just kind of work it around this stuff, lift it up and off. And then if you guys can see, there's screws down here you have to remove and screws up here you have to remove. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a screwdriver, we'll get that taken out, and then we'll go ahead and replace the bulbs. So I did need two hands to pop this down, but you do just push on the bottom, it lowers the top, and then the gauges are good to come out. So we're actually gonna do this while it's still plugged in. I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down, situate the dash kit somewhere sitting up here so I can show you guys the next steps. Alright, so we did go ahead and get that out, and all the bulbs are in these little gray and black housings in here. And there's actually a diagram for which way you're going to want to install these bulbs into here. It's on his website, which is going to be linked in the description, but I'm also going to throw it up on screen for you guys to check out. Alright, so I ended up just actually removing it. There's just the one plug here, so I went ahead and popped that out so I can show you guys better on video how we're going to install these little LEDs over here. So let me go ahead, focus the camera on these, give you guys a little better view, show you how they're labeled. And like I said, I'll pop a picture up on screen again, and on his website it'll show you where you want positive, negative, all that stuff on the back of here. So let me go ahead and show you guys how they're labeled on here so you know which side you're dealing with. Okay, so it's kind of hard to get it to pop up here and get the camera to focus on it, but up in the corner right above the big white square in the middle, there's a positive and negative side. You're just going to want to line that up with the correct things on the dash to match up with that picture. So the easiest way that I found to get these out is take like a pair of needle nose pliers, grab it on the edge, twist it, so you pull it out, just pop out this old bulb. As you can see, this one looks like it was burned out. Then replace it with the new one you get in the kit. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And then you just want to make sure the positive side lines up with the diagram that he has on his website. Then we'll go ahead and plug it in after we get a bunch of these replaced and show you guys the difference. Alright guys, so we got them all put in there. One thing to keep in mind is some of these gauge clusters, like the spots where there will be lights, will be different depending on what model and options your Jeep has. Ours was actually a little bit different than the diagram, but if one of the lights doesn't work, all we did was pop it out, flipped it around, and put the negative or positive side up, whichever one was not up to begin with. Alright guys, so we got everything installed, so let me show you how good this looks afterwards. So that's just the new lights behind there. So I went with the white LED. There is a blue film on there, which you guys will have to either remove, or it's going to be this blue color. I actually do like this blue color a lot. Now that that's there, I'll show you guys all the extra lights. As you guys can see, they're all much, much brighter, all replaced, and way better all around. And it does look really well with all these colors matched up. Let's show you guys everything on. So this one's only on because the trunk's still open, but as you guys can see, super clean look, very easy install. And just like that guys, we wrapped up the install of the dash lights. Huge shout out to Najar Offroad for sending these lights over. First mod on the new Grand Cherokee, super pleased with how it turned out. I needed lights anyway, so it worked out perfectly. These were originally for my other Grand Cherokee. As you guys know, that thing hasn't moved in a while. Not a huge deal because we picked this one up. That one will also be getting a couple videos made on it, and we'll be wrapping up some mods that I've started working on for that. And we'll take both of them wheeling when it's done. But like I said before, next install video is going to be these LED interior lights. There'll be all the new overhead lights and everything will be LED, super bright white. They look sick, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that video. Make sure you guys check out Najar Offroad's channel and his website down below. I'll link both of them down there for you guys to see. Pick yourself up a light kit if you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.